How to fix if your CarPlay is not working and not connecting with iPhone. Let's get started. First, replace your cable. Sometimes you purchase a data cable from gas stations. That cable only charges your iPhone, but CarPlay also needs a data transfer function on your iPhone. Some cables are low quality, which is why it may not work. Make sure you have an original data transfer cable. Second, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it is turned on in your case, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Scroll down again and make sure CarPlay is turned on there. Third method, go back to the Settings home. Tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And make sure you do not have any VPN connected. If it is connected, simply delete or remove the VPN. Last method, open the Control Center and turn on Airplane Mode. Then turn off Airplane Mode. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.